Smile greetings, welcome. So before I start revision sessions for all, I want to say a few words. Now you are very senior, you have good understanding of Sujok. You have done level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. And now these days you are practicing constitutions and working very hard making constitutions. And of course, you are getting many good results also. Yes, and some participants, they are slow and some participants are very fast like this, and all are very busy. Okay, because you have taste, you have dedication, you have a mission. That is why you are working very hard. So in this journey, I want to convey a few words. I want to say that each level is so perfect. Professor Park Jae-woo developed all these levels with great perfection. So it is not dependent also. If you touch grand perfection of any level is good enough, because we have many consciousness many people with different consciousness. You never know that to some person level 1 can click and they can feel 100% merged with level 1 correspondence systems. Yes, and some people are very much connected and they feel very good connection with level 2. Yes, Meridian Sojoki. And now recently you have done Zone Sojoki and you have experienced many good results. Diamond Sojoki, Meridian Sojoki, and Chakra Sojoki, and soon we will have another session on Zone Sojoki. So you have started getting results. Yes, some people, they are just doing this. Now, when you study 6K, then you add another consciousness, and that is again marvelous. But in this journey, I want to say one thing. When you are growing senior, when you are studying high level, then you forget your previous levels. And of course, you are doing all. I don't say that you are not doing, but the depth, the intensity, like you're studying level 4, level 3, and then more higher levels. Yes, you're totally engrossed in that. But here I want to say one thing. Even level 1, if you have done correct practice, you have made your notes, if you have studied well, yes, that level 1 is amazing. I started my clinic just with level 1 many years back. And slowly, slowly, I added level 2, level 3, level 4. You know, level 1, when I heard this lecture, Sujok, for the first time, this level 1 gave me a sense of wonder. Every time, whenever I was studying next topic under level 1, I was amazed. I was surprised that how hand is so similar to human body. This is really great wonder. Of course, all levels also gave me wonder, but this level 1 was like opening my soul petals. Wow, this hand is so similar to human body. You know, you all know this. You all know this already. But now I'm speaking. Many years have passed and I'm teaching continuously all levels. But when I speak about this level 1, that hand is so similar to human body, and the similarity principle says when two things are similar, energy exchange is very good. This is so wow. And you know, I just couldn't forget this beauty when Professor Park Jae-woo used to speak in his seminar, that if you understand this level 1 correspondence system, yes, and if you know the core, if you deeply practice accurately, then 100% of diseases you can treat with level 1. Only thing is that you have to add smile with your each level. When we talk about constitutions, then why our constitution is this in present moment? Why this person has dryness excessive constitutions or humidity excessive constitution? Why this person has wind deficient constitutions or coldness excessive constitutions? Why? Very simple. Yes, if you understand this in one sentence, because smile is missing. Smile is missing. That is why our seasons inside our body are not harmonized. Sometimes we have anxiety, yes, and our inner season is like humidity season. Sometimes we have fear, we have coldness season inside this. But if we have smile all the time, if we understand correct smile, then inside we have neutral vibration, neutral constitution, smile constitution. If you upgrade yourself, if you upgrade your consciousness to smile consciousness, then all your homo-hetero constitutions are balanced, are harmonized. Of course, we need to study because we understand that this time inside me is coldness, excessive constitution. But after understanding this, we should take step. We should take step. Either you do those tonification and sedation and upgrade yourself, or you do some steps in your inner world. You have the power. You have a great power. You know, soul knows everything. Soul has solution for everything. Our soul is big healer, big healer. Give opportunity to your soul to heal yourself. Smile more. Smile is so important. So, with smile, if you do level 1, just add smile. Liver, today you have liver problem or you have heart problem. It means heart is not smiling. There is missing, there is lack of neutral vibration in stomach or liver or in heart. That is why we make smile on the correspondence area. Yes, just simple treatment. When we make smile, eyes smile, nose smile, lips smile, on the area of correspondence, it is like giving message to the universe. We are inviting smiles on this area. We are pushing the smile of heart or liver. We are awakening the latent smile of these organs. This Sujok journey will never finish also. Yes, that is why each level I want to say is perfect. Then only you will reach the grand perfection. Otherwise, if you don't touch the beauties, all these baby tips, sometimes these baby tips can be wondrous, miraculous tip. And if we ignore all these baby tips, then we will continue our journey and our studies will never finish. And we will continue until last breath. And still we don't have solutions. Still we couldn't help ourselves. We couldn't heal ourselves or we couldn't heal others. Of course, you did it. But I'm talking about the percentage. Out of 100, how many? In this time, Professor Park Jae-woo, yes, as if now pushing us to smile, to go towards smile direction. You study all levels with smile. And don't forget, smile meditation is the ultimate. So with each level, you should add smile. If you are with your smile awareness, neutral consciousness, then each level is giving 100% result. When I talk about level 1, just see each system, standard correspondence system, insect system, finger system, mini system, and partial systems. Beautiful mini systems, yes. If you can succeed in finding the painful point, yes, correctly, you will be able to help this patient. Even this person has cancer or ulcers or very strong disease. Just do it. Did you try on foot? Did you try? On toes, small toes also has insect system, also has mini system, your foot. Please don't give up. Your correspondence system is so strong. Yes, it is like a foundation. 90% of disease in your life, you will get result from this correspondence system. Of course, we are studying other levels to enhance our consciousness and to reach the grandest of perfection. But each level is perfect. So level 1, when we talk about level 1, level 2, level 3, the beauties of level, you have to write the bold points. Are you practicing 5-step treatment? When you study correspondence system, then in that time you are very well aware and you are very energetic, and then writing this all these 5-step treatment. But when you hold patient hand, then we don't. Then it doesn't click that we have to practice 5 steps. We should know, are you practicing endocrine gland? As I told you that in all chronic cases, we should practice treatment of endocrine gland and also energy points. These are the golden points of level 1. Main system, insect system, mini system, partial system, all systems related to reflection law. So many deep information. Try to hold the probe correctly, and if you don't find painful point in one system, just jump to another. Do it with the passion, with dedication, and don't give up. Don't give up. Yes, in when you are taking all histories, maybe many points, many diseases, have patience. In level 1, only thing is that you need time, because we are finding painful point, and then on those points we are doing needling and we are doing seed therapy. Okay, so don't miss. Step by step. Yes, main system, insect system, so many finger systems, also insect system, thumb insect system, toes insect system. Yes, so push yourself. Probe, when you hold your probe, your Jimmy, as if you should fall in love with your probe, and then as a mission, as a target, yes, I will find the point. This probe will help you to find the point. Biggest tool, this can do wonders if you find the correct point. Why stomach has ulcer today? Yes, we understand that smile is missing, okay? But with the combination of smile and correct stomach point, you can heal this person forever. And then this is, perfect healing with grand perfection. So help your patient to smile. First, you should smile, and then help your patient, motivate your patient to smile more. Yes, and do your correspondence system perfectly. I want to motivate you. If you're studying now, you are very much enthusiastic. Yes, what ma'am will teach now, 6 key, this, that. Of course, we are discussing. We will touch all topics one by one. But then please don't neglect your baby tips. Your Professor Park Chevu treated so many patients when he used to teach correspondence systems on stage. He was so much enthusiastic with your Meridian Suzuki, and correspondence system. And he used to treat many patients with this only, with this. Okay, so don't give up. Also, Meridian Suzuki is again wonderful. When we talk about meridians, chakras, all these, life energy is flowing in that. So choose correct meridians. If you have symptoms, then wonderful, then do meridian Sujoki, zone Sujoki. If you have silent symptoms, then also you have to understand that yes, if person say that I have fatty liver, weak stomach, you know this. Now at present there is no symptom, but at least you know that this is very chronic problem. This is weakness, showing weakness, and we tonify. An acute problem, we sedate. We have to be very, very well aware of all the rules of level 2 also. When patient comes to you with some disease, okay, stomach disease, you make 4 columns, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, and then think what you can do the best as per level 1. Write everything. Don't forget what you can do as per level 2, what you can do as per level 3, and what you can do as per level 4. I want to give this example. Okay, for example, and you never know, any one level can touch the grand perfection. Any one level. Don't worry. Even if you don't have this high level of knowledge, don't worry, just continue. Level 1, okay, 4 columns, so level 1. So stomach disease, what you have to do for this stomach disease, just think, and then when you are making protocol as per level 1, then don't invite other in consciousness. Don't invite those 6 key or level 2 conscious, just focus level 1. Okay, because when you are mixing up, then you are missing all those baby tips, because we are in a hurry and we just want to reach conclusion quickly. But your reaching conclusion quickly is not important. Patient getting the result is important. I'm saying from the depth of my soul, because I've experienced many results just with these baby tips. And in coming times, I'm going to make this organize this kind of webinar where I'm going to share all those baby tips. But you already know it. It is not that you don't know it. Only thing is I need to push. So stomach disease, level 1. What you will do according to level 1? First, you have to find the painful point in main system, in insect system, in mini system. This is big journey. Okay, but don't give up. Patient is coming to you today, just treat. If you have decided level 1, just treat with level 1 and feel the beauty of level 1. You never know, this disease can completely leave his body. So, rules of level 1, main system, insect system, mini system, in hand, in foot, also in toes. Did you find the point in the toes? Little toes, yes? Stomach point here, did you find? Great, just one correct point can heal this stomach forever. Okay, in both foot, just do it with patience, with smile. And you know, in our clinic, we used to put this smile mantra music. Smile mantra music. And just because I always try to motivate our therapists that, you know, they should smile first. They have to create neutral vibration so that patient don't just start finding pain point. First, you have to, help your patient to reach that calmness and smile. And you have to tell that this kind of pain is like a blessing. So you have to guide us whether it is sharp pain or general pain. So we have to be that kind. We have to be dedicated. And then in this smiling vibration, in this smiling atmosphere, you are finding one by one, trying to find the most painful point in all systems. Yes. And then after finding that point, you massage that point. Yes. Once you reach the master point, your work is not finished. Stop there. Maybe you will get 5 point, 6 point, or 1 point out of 5, 6 points. You don't know what is the master point because patient is responding for all these points are very painful. So no problem. You treat 5 points, you massage that point, apply seed and press the seed. In that moment only, for 1 minute and then teach your patient to press that point from time to time. Okay, and then when patient comes next day, try to find again, because we have so many correspondence system. Try to find again. Be satisfied with your level 1 and then go to next level. Of course, in emergency, first try the zone Sujoki or meridian Sujoki because pain symptom. But if no pain symptoms or dull symptoms, just do this. And then maybe second day you can start with 5-step treatment. And if this problem is chronic, then you should start 1 day energy point treatment and the other day endocrine gland treatment. In 4 days, your patient will show, sometimes in 1 day, 1 minute, 1 hour. Yes, you have to be satisfied with your level 1 treatment that I have done my best. And then go to next level. Because you have to experience beauty. Of course, if you have higher consciousness, you can do all those treatments. But I just want to say, if you are not confident in higher levels, don't neglect your level 1. Each level of Professor Park Jae-woo is grand, has grand perfection. You touch any level, if you feel very close to level 3, just do it. But within 4 days, you should get some result. Maximum 4 days. If not, then think again. Think again. Okay? So now this is how you have to focus. And then you go, when you go to level 2, yes, you know which meridian is involved, which emotion is involved. Like this, you can add. Yes? And then level 3. In level 3, we are finding the constitution. We try to understand that why the stomach ulcer has come. Why? Yes? And we try to make constitution, overall constitution. And we try to improve, harmonize his or her inner season because of this internal season, humidity season, dryness season, coldness season, excessiveness or deficiency, this disease has come. So we do some technique so that this inner season is harmonized. When inner season is harmonized, then very naturally all diseases go away. Okay, so this is also good technique, but at the same time, level 1 is also good technique. All levels are good, I want to say. So in third, as I told you, you make 4 sectors, level 1, level 2. Yes, what you can do in level 2, you can do stomach meridian tonification. Yes, you can do, if it has pains, there is pain symptom, you can do algorithm, you can do zone Sujoki. Okay, and then in 6 key, you try to find the constitution. Okay, and level 4, then you are working on branch level, and then you can think what has happened inside stomach. What is the season of this stomach? We are not focusing this. Somehow, in many times you will see when you do level 1 treatment, it actually many beautiful changes come in body. Sometimes you don't need level 4 also, you have. Some patients will need all 4 levels as per the consciousness. Actually, it depends on the doctor's consciousness, and also it depends on the person's consciousness, your patient's consciousness also sometimes. Yes, so you have to be very confident, very confident. So please, yes, start again, revise again one time. Yes, and with the mission that whatever level I am using for treatment, I am using as per grand perfection. I'm touching the peak of perfection of this level. Yes, don't mix all levels together because you will not experience the beauty. Professor Park Jae-woo's each research is marvelous, wondrous. And in your journey, you will find that if you focus each level, you can succeed. You can really succeed. You don't need the help of other level also. Only thing is, do it with confidence. This also has great power. Physical world, metaphysical world, whatever you pick up, yes, because if you harmonize physical world, because metaphysical world and physical worlds, these two worlds are together, like homo and hetero, like mind and body, yes, like a couple. If you harmonize one, other world is also following. Okay, and then last thing is add smile. If you add smile, then small baby tip can do wonders. I remember, this is the last sentence, and then I will continue my revision, my studies of 6 key, of course. Now we will study 6 key at the same time. I'm telling you to practice all those baby tips. Professor Park Jae was one beautiful sentence of seminar he used to say. And he said this sentence, that it is better to take treatment from an innocent person or a mad person. Just tell him that this is stomach point, and this point can heal you. And this simple soul, no intelligence, and you can send many patients to him, and he's treating on same point with that full dedication and full faith. This is stomach point, and the result is coming. Result is coming because of his inner smile, pure soul, and the purity. The purity. Yes. So don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay. So I wanted to push you because I know that you all are practicing and you all are so busy with your higher technical formulas. And every day I see in groups, many discussions are going on, this and that and this, but no one is focusing previous studies, previous level studies. Please don't neglect. Don't neglect. Okay. Okay. So now I will continue my next topic.